All the Tacoma guys out there, you know what this is. We're tired of seeing all these Jeeps rolling around with all the fancy stainless steel and aluminum splash guards in the wheel wells. Today we are gonna make some. We started with a simple mold just out of cardboard and ended up with a rough cut of what we are going to use for the new shield. Now, if I give anybody advice, this aluminum here is about 3/16 thick, way too thick for the job. Had a piece laying around, I thought I'd give it a shot. 1/8 inch would probably be still overkill, but a lot easier to mold. We're going to go ahead, get this put on. To attach it, we're going to have to drill a few holes, and we're going to use the trusty old rib nuts to keep it clean. And stay tuned. Now, I didn't have my mic on for this, but as you can see, we got it decently mocked up. Just cleaning up some edges on here before we do a final fit. And then the front, we're just going to go ahead and get some thinner gauge aluminum, so it'll be a lot easier to work with. And yeah, we'll get that all squared away. Alright, so we got amateur hour here. Again, didn't have my mic on for the final cut there. What we did is we got them all on. The edges are all cleaned up. Did a little wire wheel finish to them, give them a little bit of brushed aluminum appearance. They fit well, look good. A lot more protection than what comes on there from the factory. So if you like this content, go ahead, like, subscribe. Got more to come. Share with some friends. If you are in the same boat as me and wish somebody would come up with you know, a nice professionally built set of splash guards, go ahead and comment below. Or if you got any questions about the process or what I'm using, put that in the comments below as well. And yeah, stay tuned, we got plenty more to come.